If you've seen the "System Off to Save Battery" warning on your Ford's dashboard, don't panic. This message appears when your vehicle detects the battery voltage is dropping too low. Let's break down what causes this alert and how to fix it. This warning is Ford's way of protecting your battery by shutting down non-essential electrical systems. You'll commonly see this in models like the Ford F-150, Explorer, Escape, Focus, Fusion, Edge, and Mustang. While it seems alarming, it's actually your vehicle's built-in protection mechanism. The first culprit: your battery. The most common cause is simply a bad or dying battery. Ford batteries typically last 3 to 5 years, but extreme temperatures and driving habits can shorten this lifespan. If your battery is older than 4 years, there's a good chance it's the problem. Even a relatively new battery can trigger this warning if it's been sitting unused for extended periods, or if the voltage has dropped below the critical threshold of around 11.5 volts. A simple battery test at any auto parts store can confirm if replacement is needed. The second culprit: the electronic battery sensor. Here's something many Ford owners don't know about. Your Ford has an electronic battery sensor, or EBS, attached directly to the negative battery terminal. This sensor monitors battery health and tells your vehicle's computer when to display warnings. The problem? These sensors can malfunction and send false readings. Many Ford owners have solved this issue by simply disconnecting the EBS. After disconnecting, you'll need to drive the vehicle for a few cycles to reset the system. This fix has worked for countless drivers and can last for years. If you prefer a permanent solution, replacing the sensor costs between $25 and $150 at most auto shops. The third culprit: the alternator. Your alternator charges the battery while driving. If it's failing, your battery won't recharge properly, triggering the warning even with a brand new battery. Signs of alternator failure include dimming headlights, flickering dashboard lights, or difficulty starting your Ford. Testing your alternator is simple. While the engine is running, battery voltage should read between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Anything lower means your alternator isn't doing its job. Alternator replacement typically a few $100s depending on your Ford model. Quick fix steps. Start with the simplest solution first. Have your battery tested. If it's more than 3 years old and showing weak voltage, replace it. Next, inspect the electronic battery sensor on your negative terminal. Try disconnecting it and see if the warning disappears after a few drive cycles. Finally, test your alternator output to ensure it's charging properly. Most Ford owners find their issue is either an aging battery or that tricky electronic battery sensor. The good news? Both are relatively easy and affordable fixes. Don't ignore this warning though. A completely dead battery can leave you stranded and may cause damage to your vehicle's electrical system. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Ford troubleshooting tips.